Fibonacci sequence. Wait. So, harmonic ulit. From ating idol. We have 1, then 2/3, then 1/2, tsaka 2/5. So basically guys, harmonic yung given, sabi ni engineer. Anong gagawin? Anong gagawin ko dito ya? Anong gagawin ko dito? Ano nga hanapin? Wala. Eh di wag na. Anong gagawin? Paano nga hanapin? Find the 100 term? Eme. Chak lang. Sige, hanapin mo. Ikaw na maghanap. So, let's say, hanapin lang natin yung lan. Pang 8. Kasi kanina 5, 6, 7, 8. So, pang 8 na lang. So, let's say, pinapahanap yung 8 term. So, basically, guys, babalik lang tayo sa arithmetic. Kumbaga, gagawin natin siyang arithmetic sequence. So, reciprocal lang na ito. So, magkakaroon ka ng 1, then 3 halves. Then, ito magiging 2. Kasi 1 half siya. So, magiging 2/1, which is 2 na siya. Then, 5 halves naman. Then, nahanapin natin yung a sub 8. So, from here, ang gagawin na natin is, ayan. Ang gagawin naman ay formula ng arithmetic. So, meron tayong arithmetic na formula that is a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So, basically guys, kunin natin yung a sub 1 that is 1 plus yung n natin is 8 minus 1. Then, meron tayong common difference. So, galing dito, kunin natin yan. By subtract lang natin ito pabalik. So, magkakaroon tayo ng d which is 3 halves minus 1. So, pag sinolve natin to, magkakaroon tayo ng 2 as LCD. Then, 2 divide 2 is 1 times 3. That is 3. Then, over 1 natin to. 2 divide 1 is 2 times 1. That is 2. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 3 minus 2. That is 1 over 2. So, magkakaroon tayo ng common difference na 1/2. Pero, check natin siya sa second tsaka sa third term. So, basically, ito, pag sinubtract natin, magkakaroon tayo ng 2 minus 3 halves. So, LCD pa rin. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng over 2. Over 1 lang natin to. 2 divide 1, that is 2. Times 2, that is 4. Minus 2 divide 2 is 1. Times 3, that is 3. And 4 minus 3, that is 1 over 2. So, pareha sila. So, ibig sabihin yung common difference natin is 1/2. So, from here, balik tayo dito. Magkakaroon tayo ng a sub 8 which is equals to 1 plus yung 8 minus 1 that is 7 times yung 1/2. So, pag nag-multiply ng fraction, direct multiplication lang. Lagyan mo to ng denominator para i-direct multiply mo siya. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 1 plus yung 7 times 1 that is 7 then over 2. So, gawin ulit natin yung LCD na 2. So, over 1 mo lang to. So, magkakaroon ka ng 2 divide 1 that is 2 times 1 is 2 plus 2 divide 2 is 1 times 7 that is 7. So, ibig sabihin magkakaroon tayo ng 2 plus 7 which is 9 over 2. So, ito na yung magiging a sub 8 natin para sa arithmetic yon. So, dahil kailangan natin is harmonic, reciprocal lang natin to. So, ibig sabihin yung a sub 8 natin that is 9 ay that is 2 over 9. So, ganun siya ginagawa. So, ibig sabihin connected lang itong dalawa. Kung harmonic yung given, gawin mo siyang arithmetic. Then, pag arithmetic na siya, reciprocal mo naman yung makuha mo sagot.